Welcome to Seawolf, the next mission I think this is called. We've played this twice before. EL's only played it once. We're going to run a kids challenge. It's going to be EL. Go ahead, EL, you can get it started. EL versus Rocky versus Piper. We're going to see if we can win the bonus today, which is 500 points. Turn. Okay.
See the red lines?
Yeah. I think you stopped that one.
No.
And you got 500 points. You got 12 torpedoes left?
No!
Not that one. So we're not supposed to shoot that one because that one's a good one?
Yep. Wait.
Okay, let's move over to Rocky. We'll do a round robin here. We can start off from scratch with her as well, too.
You got 50 coupons.
You got 50 coupons for that one?
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome. Ah, we're really in the line of fire. So you better really get the bonus here, kiddo.
They're already.
Whoa, she's firing like crazy. One left.
Alright. Out of torpedoes.
You got that one. 5,300. Okay, let's move over to Piper. Okay, 36. Okay. And EL, you got what? 50? So 50 for EL is the high score.
Well, choose Manila Bay.
We already did that one. It's too dark. Try way over there. Bongo Straits. I don't know if we played that one. Oh no, we haven't played this.
Whoosh. All right, Pepper.
Nice.
Okay, you're a little ahead. Okay. Okay, what's hitting me? To your left. There, go.
And then we'll go again back to all the kids again, and we'll find out what's your most amount of coupons. So after Piper, we'll actually play EL. Wow, did she get an extension? Get ready for that speed boat. I can feel it. Oh, it already passed? I wasn't paying attention. Good hit. Sink that one in the middle.
Okay, get ready for the speedboat. Not that.
Do both of the buttons work, or they just work the same?
They work the same.
Okay, so no, we're not gonna do any continues on this one. So let's come over here real quick here, EL. And she only got 20 coupons? Wow, I thought she did pretty good.
Yeah.
So EL's still our leader with 50. Trying to win that 500 bonus up there that you can see. Choose whatever you like.
There's a moonlight battle.
Which one?
Super Mario.
Oh. Super.
Whoa, that's pretty dark.
That's super duper.
Whoa. Oh. I feel speedboat coming. I'm feeling it.
So let's see how.
I feel a speedboat coming.
Really hard to get.
Don't hit the.
Boom, let that guy have it. Torpedoes, so they're good one, Piper. Piper saw that coming. See the torpedoes that are actually fired at us, we gotta shoot them with our own torpedoes.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll wait and we'll have Rocky sit down right now. We'll find out what your score is here. If you beat 50 coupons, no, only 36. So. Go for it, kiddo.
Let's try this one.
Okay, port. I can't even pronounce that.
Torpedo coming.
There, that's okay. It's too fast.
Don't hit that.
Sunk him. Out of torpedoes. Whoa. 38. That's second place right now. So okay.
Piper.
Now it's Piper. I think Piper's in last place. So you're gonna have to really score here, kid.
No, Yo was 36 and Rocky was 38.
Yeah. I'm actually gonna see if I can hold the camera and play at the same time after Piper. That ought to be pretty challenging.
Okay, the open seas. Wait, no, we already done that, I think. This is hard. I'll just do this one again. Whoa, go. Oh, what? Okay. I don't know which one you're firing there.
Is this moonlight something, I think?
Oh, torpedo, you hit it. I mean, you got hit. I feel like I'm a speedboat. Torpedo!
Oh, I saw that. Just call me Eagle Eye. Just call me Eagle Eye.
What does that mean?
You got 9 torpedoes left.
Oh, yeah. Ah, it's too fast.
0 and left.
I had a torpedo.
Out of torpedoes.
You got it. Oh, 38. So now 38.
Okay, so we're gonna try the Maestro, see if I can beat 50. We can grab the card pretty much anytime we want. Let's go with the open seas. I didn't mean to shoot that one. Nah, I got this.
Well, that's awesome. Now that's what I call multitasking. Whoa. Go.
Yeah.
That's so fast.
Okay, 108,000. So let's see if I can beat these kids. I need more than 50 coupons. See if I can do it. What's the Maestro score? He owns them. Ownage. Okay, so that was my first time ever playing. That was the first time ever playing. All right, guys. So that was Seawolf. Although we weren't able to get the 500, I still think we did pretty good, huh? See you guys later.